Are you filming me, man?
Of course I am.
Turn it off.
Why?
Because don't film me.
I'm on a sidewalk, cuz.
You filming me, man.
I sure am. Why can't I film?
Film Regent's Bank.
Huh?
Film Regent's Bank.
I can film this one too from the sidewalk.
Well, then do that, man.
I am doing that right now.
Do it.
I am. I'm doing it right now. I'm out here violating my rights today. You violating something else. Don't. That's assault, man. Don't you dare.
Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits. On this channel, we take a look at police interaction videos and discuss our constitutional rights. Today's video is absolutely insane, and one that is definitely not getting as much attention as it deserves. This interaction comes to us from the channel Carolina Auditor. Be sure to subscribe to his channel and give him the credit that he deserves. In this video, he is filming in Phenix City, Alabama. This interaction brings up an important question that we should not look past. Can a simple act of recording escalate an interaction with law enforcement? In this video, you'll see firsthand how tensions rise when Officer Clanton reacts aggressively to being filmed, even though the person with the camera is well within their legal rights. Understanding your rights when it comes to public photography is crucial, especially in situations like this. Watch as this encounter serves as a reminder of the importance of staying informed and calm when exercising your rights, even when an officer is not.
I have a question.
Don't film me, man. Don't
Where's
film me
the
like
city
that.
manager's office?
Where's the building right there? Are you filming me, man?
Of course I am.
Turn it off.
Why?
Because don't film me.
I'm on a sidewalk, cuz.
You filming me, man.
I sure am. Why can't I film?
Film Regent's Bank.
Huh?
Film Regent's Bank.
I can film this one too from the sidewalk.
Well, then do that, man.
I am doing that right now.
Do it.
I am. I'm doing it right now. I'm out here violating my rights today. You violating something else. Don't. That's assault, man. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. You touch my equipment. That's assault.
Get it off.
Get this fucker on camera.
Get it off of me, man.
This is illegal protected activity.
Get it off of
You
me.
a member of the public.
Get it off of me.
I ain't better do nothing.
I tell you what.
Yeah, you violated my rights. See what happens.
You see about violating your rights. You don't even know what you're violating.
That's on camera. You violated my rights. You ain't doing it today. Yeah, you see that though? You see what kind of fucking tyrants this fucking family are? Oh, don't tell me I wasn't recording. Now he's trying to tell somebody to come over here with the lawnmower to make noise. Look at it. I don't know why mine ain't recording, dude. I'm cutting this thing out.
So now that you've seen this interaction, let me know your thoughts below in the comments. I think folks like Carolina Auditor and the other person filming with him do an amazing job of highlighting exactly why filming government officials is important in protecting our own freedoms as well as the freedoms of others. They help ensure that public servants are held to the standards set by the Constitution and the law. These recordings not only serve as evidence in disputes, but also remind officials that their actions are subject to public scrutiny. In a society where corrupt police and government officials have become all too common, the simple act of recording can empower citizens to safeguard their rights and promote a government that truly serves its people. These type of things don't change overnight. It's more like raindrops in a bucket. The more we promote transparency and influence others to do the same, the more they continue the snowball effect. Be sure to subscribe to Carolina Auditor, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up on your way out.
Watch San Joaquin, San Joaquin. Gotta watch 'em. We know the way that you coppin'. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rollin', no stopping. They don't know now, we gon' teach them everything. By my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros, telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the crew. We gon' show the world, don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over?